Hi, I'm Chef Vass. We're at Scots College. Today we'll be cooking a white wings rolled oats muesli bar. So step one is we're going to add the white wings plain flour, the brown sugar. Next we add the cinnamon, the rolled oats, the dry raisins. Now we'll add the salt. Next we'll need to chop these apricots before we pop them in. And now we need to just give that a really good mix and make sure all of those ingredients are mixed together. So next we're going to add the wet ingredients. So first we'll add the vanilla essence, then the honey, making sure we scoop out all that honey stuck to the bowl. Then we'll add our vegetable oil, and then we'll crack the 2 eggs in. We'll give those wet ingredients a nice whisk. Make sure we break up the eggs into the rest of the wet ingredients. We'll make a well in the middle of the dry ingredients, and then we'll add the wet ingredients to that. Give that a good stir and make sure that's completely incorporated. So now that's ready to go into a greased pan. Spread that out into the pan. That's ready to go into the oven now on 165 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. So we'll just leave this muesli bar to cool completely. Don't put it in the fridge, otherwise it'll be too hard to cut. Place that on a cutting board, and then we'll just cut that into the shape of a muesli bar. So there you have it, they're our rolled oats muesli bars. What a great snack for kids in the afternoon.